Let's start that Facebook business. What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Nkechi First, and I'm so hyped to be back with another video. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Facebook and learning how to turn your passion into a booming online business. That's right, we're talking about how to make Facebook work for you and start raking in those sales. Listen up, guys, because this is huge. If you want to launch your business online, Facebook is a great place to start. It's got billions of users just waiting to discover amazing products and services. And yours could be next. We're going to break down the entire process step by step. So even if you're totally new to this, don't worry. I've got your back. We'll cover everything from creating your page to promoting your products, engaging with your customers, and making sure your business is an absolute success. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's get this Facebook business party started. First things first, you need a dedicated Facebook business page. This is non-negotiable, guys. Think of it like your storefront on Facebook. It's where you showcase your brand, products, and connect with your customers. You can't just use your personal profile, that's just not professional. Setting one up is super easy. Just head to the Facebook Pages section and click Create New Page. Choose the category that best fits your business, like shopping and retail or local business. Then fill out all the essential details, like your business name, contact info, and a killer description that'll make people want to learn more. We're talking about laying the foundation for your empire here, people. A strong Facebook business page is key to building trust and credibility with your audience. Plus, it gives you access to powerful tools and insights to help you grow your business. Don't skip this step. All right, you've got your page, but now it's time to make it pop. You only have one chance to make a first impression, so let's make it count. First up, that profile picture. It's the first thing people see, so make it high quality and eye-catching. Your logo or a professional headshot works great. Next, the cover photo. This is your chance to get creative and showcase your brand personality. Use an image that represents your products, services, or the overall vibe of your business. And don't forget to fill out every single detail in the About section. This is where you tell your story, highlight your unique selling points, and give people a reason to choose you. And listen up, because this is important keywords. Sprinkle relevant keywords throughout your page description and content. This helps people find your business when they're searching on Facebook. Now for the fun part, adding your products or services. If you're selling physical goods, set up a Facebook shop. It's super user-friendly. You can add product photos, descriptions, prices, and even let people check out right there on Facebook. Talk about convenient. If you offer services like consulting, photography, or dog walking, use the Services tab to list your offerings. Be sure to include detailed descriptions of each service, your rates, and any packages you offer. Make it crystal clear what you offer and how people can book your amazing services. Having a Facebook shop or services section makes it crazy easy for customers to browse your offerings and make a purchase. Plus, it keeps everything organized and professional. Okay, you've got your page looking fly and your products or services are ready to roll. But how do you get people to actually find your page? Time to pump up those promotion skills. First things first, invite your friends, family, and existing customers to like your page. Don't be shy. These are your biggest fans, and they'll be happy to support you. Next, let's talk about Facebook ads. They're a super powerful way to reach a wider audience and target specific demographics. But hold up, promotion isn't just about spending money. You gotta create engaging content that people actually want to see. Think eye-catching photos, behind-the-scenes videos, customer testimonials, and valuable tips related to your industry. Keep that content flowing and watch your audience grow. Last but definitely not least, you gotta engage with your audience. Building a community around your brand is crucial for long-term success. Don't just be a faceless business. Connect with your followers on a personal level. Respond to comments and messages promptly, and show your audience that you're listening and you care. Ask questions, run polls, and encourage conversations in the comments. Make people feel heard and valued. Remember, social media is all about building relationships. When you engage with your audience, you create loyal customers who keep coming back for more. So be present, be responsive, and watch your community flourish. And there you have it, guys. You're now equipped with the knowledge to start your very own business on Facebook. I'm so pumped for you to take what you've learned and turn your dreams into a reality. Remember, the most important thing is to take action. Start your Facebook business today and watch your dreams grow. But don't stop there. I'm dropping new videos every week with even more tips and tricks to help you level up your business game. So make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, let's keep the conversation going in the comments. What type of business are you starting? What are you most excited about? Let me know, and let's support each other on this incredible journey.